I'm always wondering how you're doing, even if you don't care about me at all. I've always found it so confusing how you still see through me, even through it all. I was never able to admit that
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So loves, in today's video you are spending the weekend with us. Okay, so here's my outfit. We are going to the pool. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you all so much for all the massive love I got when I was sick. I really appreciate you all so much. Okay, so time for me to show you
this is my outfit. I have this bag. Okay, madam is wearing her bum short like mommy, shirts, swimming clothes, and her swimming tees is inside here. Okay, so this is mommy turn. Mom is wearing her swimming clothes and my shorts. The mono and the cap.
So right now we're on our way to the pool, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and
you say you want me, you better want me. Now you got me all up in my head. You wanna love me, but you should love me now, 'cause I'll be running out of here. If I'm running, then I'm running for the truth. What am I supposed to do when the answer says it's you? Got my mind speed racing and I can't really take it. Maybe it's just all in my head. Maybe I'm just scared of emotion.
Baby, what's from?
For money.
Why you speak higher about me? You are small. No, I'm the next one.
Sometimes it don't, and it's so damn enticing. You know that keeps me wanting more, but I'd still rather hide it and keep on denying the truth.
I know so that.
When the answer says it's you.
so fam, I came out with Belly's vlog and her family. We came out to the poolside together, just have like a chill day. Today is on a Saturday. Okay, we came out on a Saturday to have like family outing and the rest. So tag along with us how we enjoy our family on a Saturday in Abuja, Nigeria, as an interracial family living in Abuja, Nigeria. So baby girl, I wore her swimming clothes at home. So when I got to the poolside, I would just off her clothes and she would go with her swimming clothes. Same with me, I wore my swimming clothes at home. So I did not read, okay, because I was checking baby girl. She was in the children's side, so I had to like stay with her and the rest. And I think I need to get some floaters, because when we got there and we saw some floaters, we tried asking if we can use it so that our kids can use it to swim. Like we thought it was like the place we went to swim, okay, is a clubhouse, their own floater, but it was not their floater, it was someone else's floater. So we just had to, you know, the water with the kids and play with them and the rest. So I hope you enjoy it. If you're a mom, if you're going to a poolside, please try get your floater, because when we did ask for it, it was kind of embarrassing, but You know, you just had to ask. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video with us. Okay, I'll be taking you guys how we spent our weekend. On a Sunday I had other activities to go to, which I'll take you guys along. So come along with us, have fun in the video. No dey dollar, make the bend enter body, and the bend shake our body, shake our body. Oh, the bafuna the corner. It's very, very look at the bed. So hubby and his friend, they ordered food for us. Like, we are having milkshake for the kids and pizza. Okay, me, I had Chapman. Baby girl had milkshake. Okay, so we are done swimming the first round. We came to have lunch, and after this we'll still go back to the water to swim. I'm trying to feed madam to eat food, and while me too, I munch on some pizza as well. So this is just a chill, relaxed weekend for us. So just relax. I got myself another seat, and so we are speaking, talking, normal family conversation and the rest. That's what was going on in the background. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you watched this extent and you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, video, share it, leave your beautiful comments, and yeah, let me know how do you spend your weekend. Okay. So we are done eating. We are back at it again in the pool, swimming, enjoying ourselves. Like, this was super fun. It was so relaxed, and there was sun, so the sun was just okay, and the water was not so cold. Okay, the water was warm. You can see us, we are in the children's play. And children's pool side, I say more than I say has children, you just have to be in the children's pool side. We're trying to snap picture here, and the husband was like, is it in a video? I was like, oh, it's video. It was really fun. Hi besties, welcome to a new day. So yesterday we went to the pool, and after that, he and his friend came back. We came home and they watched ice hockey. So today is my brother's, he's celebrating his birthday. Okay, like he's throwing a small grill party, and I help out in grilling the chicken. So this is our chicken. Okay, I have some spices inside, like thyme, curry, and I think I added pepper spices, like when you blend pepper, tatashi, shombo, and the rest. Okay, and bay leaf is inside, and rosemary is inside. I have salt, and I think that's it. Yeah, and onions is inside. So this is the grill. Okay, it's already been cleaned. We are going to add. Oh, hi guys. My brother is doing just like a small family grill party. So I have my vodka and Fanta, and we want to set up the grill. I've already done the chicken. You guys saw me doing the chicken, so I want to set up the grill and like just grill some chicken and have fun. So I'll take you guys along. That's my nephew. You guys know him now. Junior. That's it. Yeah, so see you guys later. So we are going to add charcoal inside. My brother. I don't understand. They say get charcoal, you can buy 200 charcoal, and it was so small. So we had to like tell their gates man to go get more charcoal for grill the chicken. So it's just like a small family grill. Eat out, yes, sit down or whatever. What shall I eat on something? Yeah, so I really enjoy it. I hope you are going to enjoy the video as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your beautiful comments. And so this is how I spent my weekend, going to the poolside with hubby and friend. And now on a Sunday, I'm grilling with very small. Don't fall down. Oh my god. No, that is like normal dust inside. Give me my stuff. Who is speaking? Go. Dance for me, baby. Dance. Dance. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. 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 Don't put your eyes inside his eye, you are not do. Miosh. Joa. Joa. That's too good. Right, keep back to. I think it. It's not, wait, it's hot, baby. Is giving you a chair to sit down, you see? My baby is telling me. She don't want clean and put fingers inside her mouth. So love, as the grill is going on, music was playing. So you know me now. There's no time I will not hear music and I will not dance. So I'm just like, you know, enjoying the vibes and all. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is just like a small vlog, guys. This is how I spent our weekend. Nothing too much to do. Okay, so this is the chicken. It's all grilled. We're gonna share it and have a little bit of, you know, family time. This is all my family members. Yeah, we're just eating chicken and drinking and just having small bonding time and the rest. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I said I hope you enjoyed the video a lot. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so I'll see you all my besties in our next video, because after this I think that's the end of the video. We went home and, you know, crashed. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it. I wish I could play the background music. We're playing Igbo song in the background, okay? So it will might give me like a copyright, which, you know, you don't want it in your channel. When you're a monetized channel, you don't need to have copyright. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching, as I said earlier on, and I'll see you, my besties, in my next video. Okay, stay glued, stay subscribed to the channel. Okay, thank you all so much for your massive vlog. I really do appreciate, like, yeah, guys, you guys are amazing. Like, you guys don't know how amazing you are in my life. I am really, really blessed. I have an amazing community online. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.